Hello internet friends, I am still working on the left fuel tank. What I've learned is each one of these ribs takes about 1 hour to install correctly. Now, I guess that's at my current skill level, right? And also working by myself. I'd imagine if you had two people, someone could, apply the sealant and then install the rib and then rivets, and maybe it would still take just as much time. Like someone's got to stick the rivet in and then rivet it and then clean up. And anyway, it's taking me about an hour each rib to install. So and that's just ribs, right? There's what, 6 or 7 ribs, I'm gonna say air quotes, that need to be installed. And then there's the baffle, and there's the vent line and various other hardware, the fuel sender, not sender, measurer? Why can I not think of the name of the device? Anyway, the thing that measures the fuel quantity, that needs to be installed. So I'm guessing it's going to take me another week to get this fuel tank done, at least. Then hopefully the right fuel tank goes much quicker. I don't know about much quicker, but goes quicker because I will have already completed a fuel tank and know how to do it without making a mess, or, well, a mess will be made without making a bigger mess than necessary. Knock on wood, I've been pretty good at riveting here. I haven't made any smileys, or I'll say that. I haven't made any smileys. So again, I recommend using a 2-power rivet gun. When I first started, I was using a 3X gun, and I made a lot of smileys on my empennage, or on the, let's see, what was I building? The vertical stabilizer. So I rebuilt it, and the second time was much better, but I used a 1 lower power gun, which seems to work a lot better. Now, if I was riveting, bigger rivets, then I might want a bigger power gun, but on these little tiny, 3.5 size rivets, then the 2 power gun is adequate, or more than adequate. Now, I can't wait till this is done and it's all sealed, because then my garage won't smell like fuel sealant. I'm probably kidding myself, because I'm sure it will smell like sealant for weeks and weeks and weeks until I get the tanks out of my garage. My plan is to fully assemble one wing and then assemble the other wing. I have basically half a wing underneath my cabinets that you see on the left side of the screen. So I'll attach the leading edge and the fuel tank, and then finish any wire routing that needs to be done. And then I want to get the wings out of here and put them in the hangar. That should free up some space here. But I have a whole wings bar and a whole other set of ribs to build I guess don't remember which wing I built, if it was left or right. Anyway, there's a whole nother wing to build after that. So looking forward to having that project done. And then once the wings are done, I will go back to building the fuselage, which I have a mistake that I need to fix. I already have the parts for that. Then I can put the side skins on, and then I can put the landing gear on. So that will be exciting. But I know my original, in my mind, timeline for that happening was July, but now I'm hoping I can have things ready for wiring and installing avionics by December, and putting the wings back on and engine and all that. So if you are also doing any of those things, come join us on our chat groups. If you scan these QR codes with your phone, which is the easiest way to join, you'll be dropped into those groups, and I will see you there, and see you in the next video.